you can have a little bit of a chili, and you can have it also inside like this. And this is how you can have it. This is my garlic powder, garlic chutney. So I have 5 red chilies. I just toast it, and a bulb of full garlic. That also I kind of little roast on the stove a little bit, and salt. And I removed all the seeds, so it's not that spicy. This is very fresh. Yeah, garlic chutney for this vada pav. Welcome to my cooking channel, Medhas Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I am cooking the famous street food of Mumbai, Vada Pav. So for that, first I am making the batter for Vada Pav. So this is 1 cup of besan and 1/4 cup of rice flour for the crispiness. I'm adding, and I am going to add salt to the batter. This is almost half a teaspoon of salt I added, and I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder for the color, and little bit of chili powder also, not a lot, just 1/4 teaspoon. And then we are going to mix this batter. This is a very simple batter. Using cold water, we have to make a thick batter because we have to dip the potato balls in it and then fry it. So I'm just add little by little the water and then make it thick batter, so it will coat well on the. Prepare it, and then I will show you. I have to remove all the lumps. Adding a little more water. I'm starting the vada pav, and here I am. I just had 2 teaspoon of oil and half a teaspoon of cumin in it. And I like a little bit fennel here and there. I'm adding that fennel seeds also, just a pinch. Into that, just let it heat up a little bit. Once the spices start smelling, then I'm going to add my other ingredients. Okay, I'm adding green chilies. This is 3 green chilies chopped and half an onion finely chopped. For the onions to sweat fast, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Spices in the middle. Adding the turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon for the color. I have added the green chilies, and then the color will enhance, so I am adding again a pinch of red pepper, chili powder, and I have to add, I am adding 1 heaped spoon of coriander, and let the spices cook a little bit with the onions. Into that, I am going to add the boiled potatoes. I am adding, this is 4 boiled medium sized potatoes I cooked. Now we can reduce the heat because it's already cooked. The spices are cooked, so we just have to mix it. I can switch it off now, the stove, and you can add other vegetables if you like, but the traditional ones, they just use potatoes in the bun, coriander. And one more thing I want to add is half a teaspoon of mango powder, which we call amchur. This is dry mango powder. This will give the tanginess to the whole thing. And let it cool, and then we will make little balls and deep fry this. I just checked the salt. We need salt, so I'm adding salt. I'm adding another half teaspoon, which is now 3/4 of a teaspoon salt together, all together. Mixing it. This is the masala for the vada pav, and we are making small balls and dip it in the batter we prepare and deep fry it, and that's how we make the vada pav. You have to mix this batter ahead and let it rest for some time so it becomes very silky smooth batter, and this is the consistency we want, so it will coat thick on our potato balls. I made the potato like balls now, so we are going to use that to dip in this batter. I am using this name of it. One more flavoring I want to add to this batter is this Ajwine. It is very flavorful. We use it in samosas, anything to do with the besan. This will go very well, and this will help in digestion also. I'm going to crush it to bring the flavor out and then add it to that batter. So we'll mix that into the batter, so it will have a nice flavor, and you can see it is very silky smooth batter. And let's look at the oil now. I am testing the heat of the oil now. I'm just putting a little bit of batter and see. No, it is not hot. I'm just trying to see if the oil is hot. I'm just making the round, nice round balls. Dip it in there. Let me start with the 3 or maybe 4. Have space for 4. I'm going to take one by one. I'm going to move it into. I have the second batch ready. I'm adding it. I'm going to take it and then we are going to toast this pav bhaji buns for the vada pav. So toast both sides with a little butter. Okay, I think that's it. Started getting the good color. Burnish. I want to show you how to make the famous street snack of Mumbai, Vada Pav. I'm going to put a little bit of that garlic chutney. Then I'm going to squish one Vada Pav on top. On top, I am adding the green chutney on the top part of the bun. I'm going to serve it, and with that I like a little bit taste of the chat masala, very little sprinkle, and that is our one vada pav, and I'm serving it with a chilli on top. You can have that. So I'm going to make another one. Let me have some chat masala, little bit. Let me sprinkle first on the vada pav, little bit of that chat masala, and then one place I am putting the freshly made garlic chutney, and then on the other portion I am adding the green chutney. That's why you just use only a little bit, so you make it spicy, and this is how it is served. My garlic chutney is little, has some oil in it, so it's little not in the powdery form, but that's fine. And this is how I like to serve it, my vada pav. And this is the whole vada pav, the fried one, and this is the green chutney I made, and this is how we serve the vada pav. I can cut it and show you. And you can have a little bit of a chutney. And you can have it also inside like this. And this is how you can have it. This is the Vada Pav recipe presented like this. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please comment it. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. And please share this video with your uh, family and friends. Please like it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching my video. And we will see you in another interesting recipe like this soon. Thank you.